Welcome back guys to Cricket and I was just want to post something with my phone, but I realized I need something more properly like a camcorder instead. But I hope you can like just mildly see what I'm doing. So what we're gonna do actually now is just like a egg-free cake, because my friend's like sort of allergic to egg. You remember him, this guy. So Shrida. So we're using this website called Mommy's Cooking. Mommy's Home Cooking. Which is, I've never heard of it, but they made this egg-free cake sort of recipe. So now we're mixing all of these ingredients, and I'll put them. It's like a batter now we're making into, and I'll put all the ingredients for you guys in the description below. So I'll just show you now. As you can see, that goopiness. Now we're adding the apple cider vinegar and milk. I know it kind of sounds weird, but apparently it works. So it grows bacteria, right? But how does it? So we're asking. So how does it? So I don't know how this grows bacteria. My friend's just like, he's just not sure how it does it actually as well. So how does it grow bacteria, Shrida? Okay, he doesn't know, but
I can make this for egg milk.
Yeah. So we're using apple cider vinegar, which is an alternative, very good alternative. Now my friend's washing his hand. Okay. So it's got that like look. You know how that pattern, yeah, it's sort of like that. Oh yeah, it's my sister's mixing. So this guy's telling us.
See, the reason why we're using apple cider vinegar and milk, because it's a very good substitute for egg. Since it creates the same sponginess as how egg does. The reason this does this is because it has growing bacteria, which makes the cake become very fluffy, exactly as same as the egg. Now pass it back.
Okay, so we're back to me. So don't make sure I just do a quick middle reminder. Make sure to like and subscribe as usual. Just got a new subscriber, and now my sister's gonna explain. I'm joking. I got you guys. Oh, I got you. Sorry, just a bit of weird stuff. So now we're just calling back here into the mixture. So if you could zoom in on the face. I'm joking, man. The mixture. We're now adding a bit more flour, and it's pretty like tempting to eat it, as my sister makes it. Oh yeah. So we're adding a lot of flour. That's what we're talking about.